Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, I've got an exciting topic for all the electric vehicle owners out there: how to set electric vehicle settings on Google Maps. If you're part of the eco-conscious revolution, this feature will elevate your EV journey. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Maps app on your device and make sure it's updated to the latest version for all the enhanced features. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Scroll down and select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, keep scrolling until you find the Your Vehicles option and tap on it. Now, here's where the customization happens. You can set preferences such as prioritizing charging stations along your route or selecting the best routes for electric vehicles. This will ensure that your journey is optimized for your EV, helping you locate charging points easily and manage your route efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully set up electric vehicle settings on Google Maps. Your eco-friendly road trips just got a whole lot smarter. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy driving with the power of electric navigation.